On October 12, 2005, the United States government said we ceased to exist. Gone, kaput. Just like that, a figment of your imagination. Another native tribe wiped from the history books. And this is our story. Celebrating. They were celebrating while my heart was cold. It was like a blizzard had swept my entire body. They were celebrating. That day they created and embraced us with his warmth, but instead left us frozen, feeling his bitter teardrops. They were celebrating, while I sat there, twisting and turning, mesmerized by the idea of federal recognition. They were celebrating, while the elders were sick and hopeless, and the youth were uninspired and suffering ambition. They were celebrating, while there was little concern in the air. We knew we were a tribe, and we had existed since the beginning of time. They were celebrating as we played honor songs to mourn the loss of our poor warriors. They were celebrating while the drum pounded like a bold fist, fighting its way into the ears, fighting its way into my ears like the struggle of my people. They were celebrating while I passed that red house with the red mailbox. My nerves were already tied in knots. The road and all of its cracky imperfections did little to grant forgiveness. They were celebrating while I could see the fire lit and members of our tribe huddled around its burning flame. They were celebrating while we had hoped the past frustrations and attempts at recognition would be wiped clean, a new dawn for my people. They were celebrating while that fax came down and they destroyed us with a single mark of a pen. They were celebrating while history had repeated itself and the government had wiped out another powerful nation. They were celebrating while I looked at my people everywhere in tears, sad that their day of recognition passed by with a colorblind eye. They were celebrating while after all these years nothing had changed. The white man continued to speak with a forked tongue. They were celebrating October 12, 2005, Columbus Day, while we were left dead on Lantern Hill. They were celebrating while Attorney General Richard Blumenthal stated this was the greatest day in United States history. Those words burned like salt in a wound. They were celebrating the day I learned to hate. But one day we will celebrate. Our time will come to achieve our federal recognition and help deliver our official identity, a wounded, rich, and proud people. Thank you.